Hello everyone and welcome to another Google Ads tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to find our campaign ID in Google Ads. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So all we have to do is to log into our Google Ads. Then we're going to go to campaigns. We're going to select campaigns. And here, where you see the campaign reporting table, you're going to select columns, and you are going to say modify columns. When you say modify columns, you can use the search bar and you can look for ID. And here you're going to see the campaign ID. You're going to select the campaign ID. And now the campaign ID is added in your report. So we're going to take it and we're going to drop it right in the front of our table, right in the start of our table right here. We are going to apply, and that's it. That's how easy it is to find the campaign ID in Google Ads. So you can see here this column that is called campaign ID. For every campaign, there is a different number. There is a different campaign ID, and you can actually advise this number and use it in any integration that you want to create. One more time, how you can do that. You're going to go to Google Ads, you're going to go to campaigns, you're going to click on columns, you're going to say modify columns, you're going to use the search bar and you're going to look for ID, you're going to select campaign ID. Once you select it, the campaign ID is going to drop here in the list of columns. You can actually drag and drop it in the start of your table, you're going to hit apply, and the campaign ID is going to show up in your reporting table. So from here, you can actually use this number in any way you like. That's all for this video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye everyone.